Garments sector some usable abbreviation. AQL acceptable quality level. OQL observed quality level. DHU defect per 100 unit. DTM dying to match. SPI stitch per inch. EPZ export processing zone. BGMEA Bangladesh Garments Manufacturer and Exporter Association. SOP Standard Operating Procedure. BKMEA Bangladesh Knitwear Manufacturing and Export Association. FL Front Length. FPL Front Placket Length. CBL Center Back Length. CW Center Width. HPS High Point Shoulder. H&M Hennas and Marts. GPQ Guidelines for Production and Quality. ISO International Standard Organization. FOB Free on Board. TOD Time of Delivery. LOGG Level of Graded Good. CM Cost of Manufacturing. LC Letter of Credit. LG Letter of Guarantee. CMT Cutting, Making and Trimming. CF Center Front. LW Length Width. CC Carbon Copy. SNLS Single Needle Lock Stitch. SNCS Single Needle Chain Stitch. DNLS Double Needle Lock Stitch. DNCS Double Needle Chain Stitch. MNCS Multi Needle Chain Stitch. OL Overlock. FL Flat Lock. BT Bartek. PPA Pre-Production Activities. GM General Manager. AGM Assistant General Manager. QM Quality Manager. AQM Assistant Quality Manager.